Okay, we're going to have a look at the unit circle. So in the Unit 1 Maths Methods course, we do assume you have a bit of knowledge of the unit circle from grade 10. So it doesn't have a lot of practice of this concept because we're assuming you do have a bit of knowledge coming in. So when we're looking at a unit circle, we always start at 0. We're going up to 90, 180, 270. So this is going to differ from when you see your compass, where you've got the 0 up the top and you're going around 90, 180, etc. So a 0 always starts here and we're going around anti-clockwise, as opposed to bearings where we're going from 0 at the top north around clockwise. What we want to do, I've put the 90, 180, 270 there. You need to get used to also putting your measures in pi as well. So our 90 is pi on 2, our 180 is pi, and our 270 is 3 pi on 2. That's another thing you really need to get used to, knowing those common values there. So then if we are asked to put something on the unit circle like pi on 4, we need to know that if we've got pi on 2 up here, that is the same as 2 pi on 4. So then pi on 4 would be halfway between there. Mostly we're just wanting to know what quadrant it's in when we're working with this, because we're leading into our exact values, and when we're using that CAST method, where in this quadrant cos is positive, in this one all of the ratios are positive, sine is positive here, and tan is positive there. So this is a lead into that scenario. Another one might be where you might be plotting 5 pi on 4. So you should know that that is going to be more than your pi over here, because that would be 4 pi on 4. But it's going to be that halfway between. So our line over here is going to be our 5 pi on 4. So obviously knowing your fractions and equivalent fractions is really important when you are doing your unit circle. Then you can also do ones like pi on 6 and do the same thing again over here. So instead of pi on 2, you can make that 3 pi on 6, which tells you that the pi on 6 must be about a third of that scenario. Obviously we're looking just approximately, we're not measuring those angles. So we've got our pi on 6 there. Hopefully that helps you with some sketching on the unit circle and getting that lead into when we're getting into exact values.